Hello everyone, myself Muhammad Aminuddin from Government Degree College, Sansalguda. Today I am going to discuss about the topic living sustainably harmony in harmony with nature with my video presentation. So let's get started. So there are 7 pathways to live in harmony with nature. The GLFYIL and 26 youth organizations have identified keys calls for decision makers for the necessary paradigm shifts to build backpacker. First, include public health perspectives in landscape and ecosystem management. The climate and biodiversity loss crisis must be treated as pressing public health concern. Second, transform financial structures for conservation and restoration. All sectors should ensure that projects are financed in sustainable, transparent, and holistic ways that benefit societies as a whole. Third, enabling community ownership over decision making and resource flows. Stronger measures are needed to promote community ownership over financing mechanism, food system, and greater agency in value chains. Fourth, commit support to and engage in inclusive knowledge sharing platforms. We need global, regional, and national cross-sectoral collaboration. All voices needed to be heard on all levels, including those of all local communities, indigenous peoples, women, and youth. Fifth, promote rights-based approaches in sustainable development. Indigenous people and local communities need to participate in decision-making process and international frameworks. Sixth, scale local initiatives and successes. Scaling locally managed initiatives can tackle local environment challenges and address global ones. Seventh, support communities with the most at stake in the climate, health, and biodiversity crisis to ownership development discourse. Through a landscape approach, lens local concepts need and debates can be included at regional, national, and international decision making levels, etc. Thanks for watching.